In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promotion on Facebook Marketplace if you've been looking to boost your listings and reach more potential buyers. This guide is for you. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly what to do to get your items in front of more people. First things first, you need to go to Facebook, open your favorite browser and type in the URL or open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, find the marketplace icon. It looks like a little storefront and is usually on the left sidebar on the desktop or at the bottom of your screen on mobile. Once you're on the marketplace page, the next step is to click on the tab labeled Selling. You'll find it either at the top or slightly towards the left-hand side, depending on the device you're using. This section gives you an overview of all your currently listed items. It's where you manage everything you wish to sell. Now, click on your listings. This will bring up a detailed view of all the items you've put up for sale on Marketplace. It's here that you can see how each item is performing and take action as necessary. With your listings in view, look for the item you wish to promote. Next to the item, you'll see three little dots, typically referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these dots to access further options for your listing. After clicking on the dots, select Edit Listing. This takes you to a screen where you can modify details about your item, such as the description or the price, as well as where you manage enhancements like promotions. At this stage, you'll see an option called Promote Listing. Select this to start the process of boosting your item's visibility. Promotions on Facebook Marketplace work similarly to ads, allowing your listing to reach people who might not see it otherwise. Once you're in the promotion area, you'll have several options to tailor how your listing is advertised. You can choose the budget for your promotion, which determines how widely it will be seen. Typically, the more you're willing to spend, the more eyes will land on your listing. Consider your budget carefully and think about how much the boost could help in selling your item quickly. With your budget and settings finalized, confirm your promotion. Facebook often offers insights into how your promotion is performing, so keep an eye on those metrics to see just how effective your boosted listing is. And there you have it, a simple way to give your item a better chance of selling on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident about boosting your listings. Good luck with your sales, and see you in the next video.